What's up, strong traders? Wait a minute, my mic. My fault, y'all. Hold on. I'm still getting the hang of this. These videos gonna be real raw until I get, until I get the hang of everything. Real raw. Anyway, what's up, strong traders? I hope everybody been trading strong. We finna get right into it. Last week, I uploaded a video, me analyzing for the week. It's Friday. It's the end of the week. It's about 11:19. It's kind of late, but we're just gonna go through and see how the market played out, and see if any simulation trades, played out. So here's Euro New Zealand. Didn't really do much. Euro USD. You know what I mean? GBP CAD. GBP USD. Aussie US dollar. US dollar Swiss. USD CHF. USD JPY. So this one, we put this trade prediction in the last video, and you saw the OB, it hit. It hit, man. That would have been a good trade. It even would have went for 3-1. Shit, it would have went for a 4-1. But we do 2-1s right here, cause it's safe. I like safe. You know how many times I've seen trades go to like do 3-1s, 4-1s, and then you're like, all right, we gonna throw a 3-1, 4-1, and they'll go for a 2-1, and then it won't fulfill all the way. Look at this one. I couldn't find a trade opportunity for this. I would have got in if it retraced up here. It did retrace up here to this level, which had multiple touches, but I just didn't see an entry. I like to do order block trades. I like to do what I call an OB tap. When we have an order block that breaks structure, once it taps into that area, then we enter the trade. And sometimes you'll see OBs marked out on my chart, but not a trade simulation next to it, is because there's some factors that go into it that would make me not take the trade, even when it does break structure. But yeah, this one just went, man. You can't catch them all. Euro JPY. This one looks like a failure. But look, you got to be careful with this, because there's this low right here. It broke structure. It did come down to here, but it broke structure. So, and then not only did it break structure, we have a trend line right here. It broke the trend line, created a high, created lower lows, and then created another high, and then broke those lows. So technically, it's showing bearish structure, which would invalidate this OB tap trade. You know what I mean? But since it's a simulation, I didn't really come to check it. I should really come to check it every day, like it was live. But yeah, this one, it probably would not have been entered just because of this. I actually have trades that I do reversals on. Like, I don't always trade with the trend. I do have a checklist for reversal trends, and this one might have made the cut, man. Especially how it's looking. We got the double top right here. This one's a little bit higher. Just cool. We call that liquidity grab. Two top, and then it started making lower highs and lower lows, and then it broke structure right here. So this would not have been an ideal trade. By the time it got to this OB, I would have looked at it like, yeah, nah, that's not the one, bro. That's not the one. But sometimes I do think it's the one and it doesn't. It's not foolproof, but it's pretty accurate. I'm still back testing and forward testing. Right now I'm forward testing. New Zealand US dollar. I could have swore we just looked at this. Canadian dollar. JPY, Japanese yen. This one looks like it's ranging. This one would have hit. Got that OB, that broke structure. Came tapped in, and it started ranging. But the sellers were here every single time, and then that's all she wrote. Got that 2-1. So that one would have been a winner. Winner of chicken dinner. This one, it's just existing. Oh wait, let me go back to it. This one, I'm sorry. CHFJPY. Just existing. We didn't really have nothing marked out for here. We didn't have nothing marked out for here. We did have this right here, bullish weekly plus here. But as you can see, it didn't tap in. Started going back up, but it didn't tap in. You can't win them all. You can't get them all. Now, when I do place trades, I don't exactly go right here. I used to put them right here, but now I go a little bit up here, and then I go a little bit below. A couple. Sometimes I use my ATR. Not all the time. Then we go for that 2-1. But it wasn't tapped into, so. You're in New Zealand. These were potential areas of interest, but like I said before, got broken structure. You know what I'm saying? So, and look at that. Lower highs, lower lows. Broke this one too. Broke this one first. You know what I'm saying? So, I wouldn't really exactly be looking at this area, but I do mark these areas just to see what's gonna happen. But right now, it's trending downwards, and that's why we didn't put any trade simulations there. Your USD. I'm pretty sure we. Yep, in USD. Yep. Okay, so yeah, that's my second part of the analysis of the week. I think it would have been a good trading week. We're gonna go live here pretty soon. Just trying to get my money in order. Trying to do everything right, because I don't know how many challenges I lost, how many challenges I failed. I've passed so many phases ones, so many, and I've failed a lot of phase ones too. But I've passed so many phase ones, and then I've just never been able to break past that phase two. And I just want to do things right when it comes to my risk, when it comes to my strategy. So, created a checklist, back testing, forward testing. After I get off here, I'm gonna do some back testing. And I'm sorry, so unprofessional. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Keep trading and stay strong. Godspeed.